We're having an intermittent issue with the wiper blades on the Avalon. Right now they're working. I also noticed this linkage right here has play in it. So there's a little rattle when the wipers were going. I kind of thought it was the old wiper blades because they're kind of rattly on the little U-hook arm. But yeah, this one definitely loose. So it's just these little caps on a little ball on the links. So these caps can crack and wear out, and that's what causes excessive play. And once they break all the way, you can have a loose link and that can cause all kinds of problems. But anyway, we're just gonna see what's going on, if it's cracked or what. This Avalinus is very easy to work on, by the way. We're really appreciating it. Come on. Come on out. There you go. Come with me. I just want to look at you. Yeah, the motor's a little warm from running her. Is this a remanufactured? Yep, Remfo. So yeah, this motor's already been replaced before. I suppose I could take the cap off and see if we have a burnt spot. Oh, you know what? Oh, that play is in the motor. It's not in the cap. Interesting. Well, I don't need to order those Dorman cappuccinos. That will do me no good whatsoever. Should we take this apart? Yeah, let's take it apart. Little baby Torx. You. Oh, first try. We're gonna see what we can see. Hey, bud. What do we got going on here? That's not good, right? That guy's just hanging on for dear life in there. Aren't you, bud? Not sure if you can see that, but got a little washer collar dealy right there. I don't think you're supposed to be moving like that, Jeremy. Is this adjustable? Not looking good for the motor, bud. But hey, at least I know I don't need this linkage. I don't need those caps. Probably just need a motor. So should we go with remanufactured? Which that's what this is. Didn't turn out too well. Or should we go with aftermarket? The OEM is way too much money. Does not make sense to do it. This little switch is doing good. This tells the car when the wipers are in the park position. And that's working out. So final diagnosis. We got some shaft play in the actual motor. I'm not a wiper motor doctor, but I'm pretty sure that this guy is not how it's supposed to be. What would Tyler Durden do? What would Tyler Durden do? So this shaft has permanent magnets on it, right? And then there's windings around the sides. That's what makes the electric motor turn. And I think this play might be even causing issues or causing that dead spot where sometimes this doesn't want to rotate. It's making some excessive rattle noises, bud. And that can't be normal, right? It just can't be. So I can't really put anything in between here, but that would take up the slack jack. Okay. Well, looks like I'm gonna order a new wiper motor. We're just gonna go with an aftermarket one, brand new, and see how she does. I'm not liking this remanufactured situation. I'm not saying an aftermarket one will be any better. No matter what I do with this situation, I think it's gonna be a gamble. So I'm just gonna order an aftermarket one and we're gonna see how that goes, okay? Okay. Sound like a plan? I think we got a solid plan going on. There we go, buds. She's already got a remanufactured wiper motor, and it's got some excessive play in the shaft there. Excessive shaft play duly noted.